Hello friends, good morning. Myself Monica Shah. I am from Civil Engineering Department, School of Engineering and Technology, Navrashna University. Today, in this particular time, the course 2024, we have given the topics related to urban runoff mitigations, their issues and challenges. Our students have, and my co-faculty, Dr. Saloni Pandya, we have done a very great job by measuring the different aims of our project. The major aim of this particular topic to assess the existing drainage systems and how they are going to map, club together, and how we can mitigate the runoff which we have faced in this particular year. As we are aware that Vadodara city is mainly a city of planning. With the everywhere which we are going, the planning is there. So if we could imagine that we don't have any system for storm water drainage system, is that true? Yeah, we don't have the separate system, but still we have all the planning related to measure and related to take the excess runoff water which we could get it from the excess rainfall. Now, in this particular one, the student have assessed the existing drainage system. They have done a community survey, technical survey. They found fantastic data related to the drainage systems which we could help us. They have found there are several reasons related to the drainage system. Now, if we could find that once we have gutter system at somewhere or collecting point, after that the roads are being constructed over that particular place and the road levels are going to increase. Due to that particular reason, the excess rainfall are not being able to get that water and everything goes inside our houses. So as a result, the low-lying areas are become more and more lower. Apart from that, other things are there, such like if we have found the interconnections of the artificial canals we could even consider as a cause, right? So in that particular cause, everywhere there was a system that runoff water should enter into that, and they should meet each and every ponds or the river Vishwamitri. They have connected like that, but in that particular connections, people have done the illegal encroachments. Because of that, the sewage water is getting mixed in that particular sewage. In that sewage water which is mixed, that is going through that particular cars or canals to the natural ponds or the rivers. As a result of that, the water, the storm water which we have as a source of fresh water, it is being converted into the sewage waters. And as a part of that, those streams, the storm water drains should be empty at the time of monsoon season. But due to that illegal encroachments and people are throwing their waste over there, as a result of that, that streams are always full. The literate people, educated people, even throw their solid waste, construction waste at that particular ponds and the cars. So as a result of that, the water level is always there in that particular stormwater drainage system. And as a result of that, when we have excess rainfall, in that particular case, they are already full and they are not being able to take the excess load of that particular one, right? So students have done a very, very good survey. They meet different people, they found different areas, they got the different catchment areas, and in the Vadodara city, they have mapped everything together. Now, if you want to see how the probable solutions for the same, if we want to mitigate this kind of runoff, as we are aware, there are certain places when they have not faced any rainfall in 2005 flood or in 2019 flood, but they are facing nowadays in 2024. So what kind of the solutions to that particular systems? There was a problem of community, the people, and up to a certain extent, the corporation also plays an important role. So that proposed solution you could even find in our course exhibition.